Hey guys, this is Sandy23 and welcome back to my channel.
Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot.
Today I'm going to be reacting to ultimate BTS moments to make you laugh instantly. This is by Teza. The link is in the description, so you should go and check this out. Let's start the reaction to this one without further ado. BTS are reuniting soon. Yeah, true. Yeah, we were waiting for this eagerly. Okay, let's start. Namjoon with the broken glasses. He broke the mic too when he came back. Teza, the push always gets me. Yeah, BTS are reunited. Carbonara. Love this. Lachi molala.
Carbonara.
Carbonara. Immediately, the tuning between soap.
Carbonara. Tony Montana.
Tony Montana.
Carbonara. Lachi Montana.
I get Tony Montana, but Lachi molala. No sense, no sense. I love the chaos.
G.
Mo, la, la. Same way it is enunciated, that's why he said the word which makes sense. Because Jin is like that.
Carbonara.
I can't with them. Carbonara. Passing it to Jin confidently. I can't, I had to repeat that. Worried. Amazing. Guessing the exact word. Impressed. It's so hilarious. Tay had to be the Snow White. And then just falls. I love this. I love this. I can't. The way J-Hope is happy about it, putting money and beating him up. The slipper throw. I can't. You all really. This moment again is gonna be hilarious no matter how many times you watch this. Really. Everybody else is like, everybody is laughing at this. You know when you cook something and it just sticks to it, they're laughing so hard. Sticky potato, part of the plate. You got 10 points for laughter. Okay. Harry Potter, everybody. Jin's laugh makes me laugh really. Second adhesive sin. Oh my god, he actually says that. There's no way they can let him do this. The minute he got this mission, it was over for him. Happy. You can't curse. They just go, he's trying it his level best, but they just go and do that. It's like, I quit. You can't? Don't. Please leave me. They can't let you win. 39 out of 300. And then Jimin comes the devil and he makes the other devils come too. Yeah, come here. Yeah, I've made this a short of it. Protecting it from the villains. But let me just do this, please. Of course not. You're dead now. Him running after them cutely, I can't. Meanwhile, another victim of Magni line. He had to peel the eggshells or something. Yeah, isn't that what it is? Leave a trace what you have done. Oh, they just ate it, okay. Even Namjoon was a culprit in this. Red light, green light. Before Squid Games. Oh my god, I'm tearing up. You come here. This is the best thing ever. Jin's explanation for this in a rap. Entire. I'm not happy. Yeah, the audacity. The way he wiggles in this, like everybody died after he completed it. The respect they have for him. Blindfolding JK. There is no. Oh my god, fully is blindfolded. Literally hiding under the mattress. Oh, he got his legs. He found Jimin. Yeah. Next target is Tay. Trust me, he's not here. I don't trust you. The way he's clinging to the lab. I'm here. Be. The way he rolled over the bed. No clue, man. Search everywhere. This is tilted, huh? Jungkook got it. Jungkook got it. Found you. Found you. The way he used logic for this. Hey, yeah. I'm also impressed. Yoongi, marry me. The way he said Yoongi. Marry me. The accent. He's the one who always gets it. That comment. He reads it the first time. Like, he always finds that. This is a running joke now. Will you marry me? He's not even in the live. It's like, Yoongi, marry me. Army are hilarious. You can't even see the comment. Yeah, they're just making fun.
B가 중앙에서 고민하고 있습니다.
Everyone, he actually thought that he gets to be with only Jimin. Yes. The way his expression changes when he sees Jin with RJ. It's like three people. The disappointment. There's one other person. There's Jungkook too here. Four of them. Who's missing? Where are you? Yoongi. Jeo. I forgot. Man, the way he came, man. the Jin's laugh. You really do. Yeah, you look like a flower. Yeah. Jeo for Sunshine. His new song which is gonna come, Killing It Girl. It has a War of Hormone vibe to it, I guess. His eyes were so passionate in this. Maybe it was the, as Taeyang said. Man. Oh, I'm excited for that song, yeah. Jimin, stand up. Stand up. What? The way Namjoon was regretting everything first. Because he thought it was not. Yeah, it is Jin. Everybody's expression ultra shocked. Yep, it is. Namjoon is like, Jin, yay. Let me hug you. Most worried one because he has the most pictures with him. Wrong. It's wrong. The way he was disbelieving in his loss. Just one. No, it's here too. Jungkook's famous rage. They were enjoying it so much they have forgot about their loss. This was legendary. My god, one more. You can't do anything. You can't make it disappear by kicking it. Be quiet, okay? Everybody's waiting for it. They're laughing before seeing that photo. Jane jumped late, okay? Oh god. That's why they were laughing so much. Only the upper part came, man, okay. Hilarious. Be quiet. Let them concentrate. Yeah. Yeah, be quiet. Seriously. They're not even trying to stop. Bye. Already? They're trying so hard not to laugh at them. Let's get this. This time what happened? Another masterpiece. They recreated it in that last Run BTS episode also. I can't with them. They're so hilarious, man. This Manito Run episode was real fun. The way they are really dying, like laughing so hard. Look at that. He's tired of laughing, Jimin. What is Namjoon saying though? Everyone losing it, yeah. The photo, this is by, yeah. Play dramatic music to this. The hand placement. 20 minutes he's just taking his own time. Jimin meanwhile, they are laughing. Not Jimin though. He's not amused. There's so much, man. They're a mess. The dramatic music in the back is just brilliant. It is not open, it is closed. They cracked, they couldn't do it. Oh my god. I love them. I can never with this. Sugar. I don't know what Namjoon and Jimin were doing. Push. Predictable. The way he pushed too, he's like, stop it. Stop it. Again. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Get some help. Even I was like, brilliant guys. IT. Yeah. Okay. What's happening? Oh yeah, this. The way people just edit this back on. I'm still alive. No, not again. Done. Just to suffer. You're suffering and we're enjoying that, but we can't do anything about it. It is hard not to laugh at that. Can we take a picture? Important business. Yeah, that's what you have to say to ignore it. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Important business. My daughter is a fan.
Yeah. Sorry, important business.
Is they saying the daughter is the fan? What did he say? Oh my god.
Can we take a picture with you?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Important business.
Important business.
Picture 하면 important business 하면
Yeah, it works so well. Yeah. It is the thing. It works the best. Okay. What is this? Whatever the song it is.
분위기에 맞춰서 먹어줄게.
I can match it, yeah. The atmosphere. Plays a sad song while eating. The way he just focuses on it. Deeply immersed in his acting. Eat the chips. Wiping the tears. Meanwhile, just Jungkook is like, are you actually crying? He's so into it. Couldn't hold it anymore. We are entertained. Please go on. The way the noodles is still there. Pauses for like a minute. Oh yeah, they were like, Namjoon came and said, what are you guys doing? What? No, nothing happened. The way they stopped. They went on later on after he went. They closed the door after that and then kept doing it. This is too much, man.
하와이에 왔던 사람들
With
한 번씩 다
BTS.
왔다 갔는 거야.
That's everyone.
레인보우.
Traditional also. They kept adding it. It is becoming too long.
쉐리프가 맛있으니까 쉐리프 넣어.
Look at the. They're a mess and I love them. Okay, Hawaiian. International Pop K, forgot that. Rainbow traditional, put in words there. Transfer. I'm getting tired, let's be done with this. V was judging so hard. Namjoon was just done. Yeah, they added it. Namjoon and ASMR challenge. Trying not to break it immediately. They know he's going to destroy it. They know it. They just left from there because they will laugh too hard. calm down. This time I'll be extra quiet. He just broke it. The muffled laughter is something else. Can you zoom in, please? I want to say something. Fourth wall breaking. Please come here. Okay. And then went back. Just for the eye, okay? I'm in charge of the dishes. So please don't like Hajima.
아니 나 진짜 심장이 너무
My heart is weak.
Hello, hello.
Come in, come in.
Come in, come in.
He announced that to them, they're gonna come.
Do you have you have a ticket? No?
He just wants to come closer.
왜 그래 진짜.
Must be a fan. Another innocent victim. Soul left his body.
아닌 것 같은데.
From the behind, that is scary. Almost died. They actually did do it. Hijin and Shida, right? Making zombie noises. Like that's gonna help them. They're gonna eat you, yeah. Confused by this. T-Hope is confused by this. Complimenting that. You're great acting, okay. Yeah. I'll show you. The outro, man, come on. This was such a fun compilation of BTS moments. There's so many fun moments. I did crack up with a lot of them, man. BTS are so fun with each other. They just crack you up. The energy they have is just so fun loving and heartwarming. Really love that they're gonna come together again soon. I really am waiting for it and I really love this. So if you liked my reaction to this one, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments and suggestions, you can put it in the comment section.